Hello, Nate here. I decided to go for a challenge to live my life without stimulants for the next 30 days. So today is day one. So I will be reporting every day how I feel, how is the progress going, how is my life going without any stimulants. So I was looking for this information online. I was looking on YouTube. I was looking on Google, some personal story of someone that decided to live without stimulants for, I don't know, for a period of time, maybe 30 days. So I couldn't find it anywhere. There's an experience from some person. So I decided to do it myself. And by stimulants, I mean no coffee, no green tea, no cacao, so no chocolate, because chocolate includes cacao. So no, no stimulants in terms of food. I will not be ingesting those. So I want to make sure for everybody who is watching, how did I live my life up to this point, up to today. So I wasn't drinking coffee every day. I was drinking coffee maybe on average, it would be once a week. So once a week on average. Sometimes I would drink coffee for 1 month. But I would drink cacao, and I would drink matcha, so green tea. I would drink those kind of stimulants. I would eat chocolate, of course, uh, um, but I wouldn't use green tea, and I wouldn't use cacao for like 3-4 times a day. Just one time, so just once in the morning, and that would be it. So that was my life up till now. Um, so Newton's third law says that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. So if you look at coffee and the high you get from coffee, it's a high, it's an action that has taken place. And for this action, if you stop drinking coffee, so for example, if you drink coffee in the morning, in the afternoon, for this action of high, there must be an action of low. So you're constantly doing these waves of action and reaction and action and reaction. So the bigger the action, the bigger the reaction. That is, what Newton's third law says, and that is how, we all have experienced in this reality. Because, for example, if you do some kind of drugs, if you drink alcohol, in the evening when you drink it, you might be happy, you might be all joyful, you might be dancing, but when you wake up the other day, so you're all beaten up, you are, you have a headache, and so this is one example of this Newton's third law. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. So when there's a high, there must be a low. So it's a law. So if you would be abusing, cocaine and alcohol, not cocaine, caffeine and alcohol and all these other, um, you know, um, stimulants on the other side, and on the other side, something that calms you down, like alcohol, because if you have one extreme, you need the other. The two go together. If you do this for a longer period of time, so this is my like observation and also a theory. If you do this for an extended period of time, so constantly stimulating yourself with caffeine, there needs to come a time when there's a reaction. So where if there's a constant high, there needs to come a time when there be an opposite reaction, a fall. So if you fly high, you fall down, right? And if you do this day in and day out, there will be a time when there'll be maybe a depression, maybe some event in your life that you'll be surprised, how could this happen? But this is all a consequences of us being of our desire of for being constantly on a high. And there, so if you do this for a couple of years, there must come a time when there'll be a downfall, a low, and there'll be a much higher fall. The higher you go, the longer you fall, right? So what I want to test here in those 30 days, what I want to experience and see what happens, what will happen in my life if I won't seek, if I won't seek these heights with the caffeine anymore, what will happen, because there is a one term that is called equanimity. This is in Buddhist philosophy. You have this equanimity, which is like, it's almost the same word as equality. So both sides both sides being equal. So there is not so much like up and down, but have the equal balanced, equal equanimity, equal mind. So the mind is balanced. You don't, because I in my life have noticed that one day I am super excited and the other day I am depressed. So I want to get rid of those fluctuations because it's bothering me, One day I'm super excited, everything is going well, but the other day I'm depressed, And I want to test this theory for myself, and I want to see what happens. And I want to see if through that avoiding of those stimulants, which are normal, completely normal in everyday life. Even we give cacao to kids, but cacao contains caffeine, right? We drink coffee. We don't give coffee to kids, but we give cacao to kids. It contains caffeine, even though it's in small amounts, but it's still there. So what I want to see if through avoiding those stimulants, I can achieve more steady mind, more equanimity in my mind, more calm mind, and not be so much fluctuation, so much ups and downs, and to receive this calmness in my body and in my mind. So today is morning, it's around 10 a.m. and it's basically my first day. Yesterday I was without stimulants for the whole day, but in the evening I ate some tiramisu, and in tiramisu it should be coffee, but my wife put cacao in it, so I had some stimulants. So I messed it up yesterday, but today is the first day. But even so, cacao has very little of caffeine, so it wasn't as much stimulating as green tea or black tea or coffee. It was a very small amount, but today I can already feel how I am more tired, how I am. Look, I just want to lay down. I just want to sleep. So I'm like almost laying down right now because I cannot get to do something. I cannot get behind my computer and do some work because I'm really tired. The other thing might be the weather, because it's a little bit rainy today in Slovenia. In Europe, you can see the beautiful nature here we have. So it's really, really beautiful here in Slovenia and all around Slovenia, not just my part, because we have a lot of nature. We have a lot of forest. So that's it. So the first day it's going relatively well. So I'm recording this video. So this would be the first video, the first day. So I'm feeling a little bit tired. I'm thinking about what could I take, what could I drink to get myself in action, to get myself working, because I have some things to do, but it's nothing urgent, but I have to maybe do something. So I don't know how I'll do it. Maybe I'll force myself, maybe I'll just rest, maybe I will skip the day and rest for the day, and we'll see what tomorrow brings, and how will I feel tomorrow. So the day one, so the summary of today, it's not even the whole day, it's in the morning. I'm feeling a little bit tired. I went for a walk in the morning. Also, walk is also a stimulant, right? When you go to walk, you feel more energized. So, but this is like a natural stimulant, and you have to make an effort for you to stimulate yourself. With coffee, it's really simple. You just drink it. So it's a crutch. We'll see if it's a bad habit, or if it's good to have some stimulants from time to time. We'll see. I'll make a conclusion after 30 days. So this is day one, and I'm feeling all right, but I'm feeling a little bit tired, and I'm thinking about coffee. I'm thinking about what should I drink, what stimulant should I drink, because my body is getting, and my brain is obviously getting used to produce the stimulants by itself in the brain, because when we drink those coffees, we disable the body's natural ability to regulate itself. Yeah, so we'll see. So thank you very much for tuning in, and I hope this has been helpful. And I'm looking for the next 30 days, and I hope you get some value out of this. Bye bye.